Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another Powers of 10 live stream. Please hit the subscribe button so you will be notified of more quality educational content. So in this video, we're going to be focused on solving problems involving powers of 10, specifically to the 8th power. So for our first example, we have 3 to the 8th power, and I'm going to go through exactly how to find the answer to that problem. So exponents, powers of 10, basically means repeated multiplication. So the base number is what we multiply and the power is how many times we multiply it. So for this example, we are going to multiply the number 3 8 times. So if we wanted to write this out in long form, 3 to the 8th power means that we are multiplying 3 times 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 3. We are multiplying the number 3 8 times. So to start out, we're going to multiply 3 times 3. So it starts out with simple multiplication. 3 times 3 equals 9. So we have just multiplied the number 3 twice. Next, we are going to multiply 9 times 3. 9 times 3 equals 27. We just multiplied the number 3 times. Next, we have to multiply 27 times 3. Once we get to multi-digit multiplication, I find it easier to write the problems vertically. So 27 times 3. 7 times 3 equals 21. 1 carry the 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. Plus 2 equals 8. So 27 times 3 equals 81. So we have just multiplied the number 3 4 times. But we're not looking for 3 to the 4th power. We're looking for 3 to the 8th power. So we need to keep going. So next, we have to multiply 81 times 3. 1 times 3 equals 3. 8 times 3 equals 24. So we have just multiplied the number 3 5 times. I'm going to erase so we have a little more room here. We are currently at 243. So now we have to multiply 243 times 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 4 times 3 equals 12. 2 carry the 1. 2 times 3 equals 6. Plus 1 equals 7. And we have our final answer. 243 times 3 equals 729. That's our final answer for multiplying the number 3 6 times. We've multiplied the number 3 6 times. But we have to keep going. Let me clarify. We do need to keep going because we're trying to find 3 to the 8th power, not 3 to the 6th power. So we're at 729. We have multiplied the number 3 6 times. Next, we have to multiply 729 times 3. So 729 times 3. 9 times 3 equals 27. 7. Carry the 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. Plus 2 equals 8. 7 times 3 equals 21. So 729 times 3 equals 2,187. So we have now multiplied the number 3 7 times. So now, final multiplication problem is 2,187 times 3. 7 times 3 equals 21. 1 carry the 2. 8 times 3 equals 24. Plus 2 equals 26. 6 carry the 2. 1 times 3 equals 3. Plus 2 equals 5. 2 times 3 equals 6. So 2,187 times 3 equals 6,561. We have now multiplied the number 3 8 times. So 3 to the 8th power equals 6,561. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. All right, next example problem. So now we're going to find the answer to 4 to the 8th power. So to find 4 to the 8th power, we have to multiply the number 4 8 times. So writing that out longhand, we have 4 times 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 4. We have to multiply 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times. So it starts out basic. We start out by multiplying 4 times 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. So we have just multiplied the number 4 twice. Next, we have to multiply 16 times 4. 16 times 4 equals 64. So we have just multiplied the number 4 3 times. But we're not looking for 4 to the 3rd power, we're looking for 4 to the 8th power, so we got to keep going. So next, we multiply 64 times 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. 6 carry the 1. 6 times 4 equals 24, plus 1 equals 25. 64 times 4 equals 256. We've just multiplied the number 4 4 times. So next, we have to multiply 256 times 4. 6 times 4 equals 24. 4 carry the 2. 5 times 4 equals 20, plus 2 equals 22. 2 carry the 2. 2 times 4 equals 8, plus 2 equals 10. So 256 times 4 equals 1,024. So far we have multiplied the number 4 5 times. So setting up now, we have to multiply 1,024 times 4. The pattern keeps repeating here. Each answer we get, we multiply that times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16, 6 carry the 1. 2 times 4 equals 8, plus 1 equals 9. 0 times 4 equals 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is going to be 0. 1 times 4 equals 4. And we have our answer. 1,024 times 4 equals 4,096. We have just multiplied the number 4 6 times. So now we have to multiply 4,096 times 4. 6 times 4 equals 24. 4 carry the 2. 9 times 4 equals 36, plus 2 equals 38. 8 carry the 3. 0 times 4 equals 0, plus 3 equals 3. 4 times 4 equals 16. And we have our answer. 4,096 times 4 equals 16,384. So now we have multiplied the number 4 7 times. So one more multiplication problem here. We now have to multiply 16,384 times 4. So 4 times 4 equals 16. 6. Carry the 1. 8 times 4 equals 32, plus 1 equals 33. 3 carry the 3. 3 times 4 equals 12, plus 3 equals 15. 5 carry the 1. 6 times 4 equals 24, plus 1 equals 25. 5 carry the 2. 1 times 4 equals 4, plus 2 equals 6. And we have our final answer. 16,384 times 4 equals 65,536. And we have just multiplied the number 4 8 times. So 4 to the 8th power equals 65,536. Alright, that is my live stream for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will try to do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri, signing off.